I miss this place. Hey guys, I'm on my way now to my yarn supplier shop and I'm really excited and I want to share this with you. I haven't been here for 2 years because of the pandemic kasi syempre nag-lockdown and all, but now they're open and I can finally, touch and feel and see the yarns in their own person. I don't know if that's such a word. Anyway, so I have kasi a few projects that I'll be doing and I'll be preparing for a bazaar and a shoot soon. Also guys, if you guys haven't followed my Instagram for my crafts, do follow it. I'll post a link down the description below. Hello! I miss this place! Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel again. So this is another episode outside the house. Yay! Thank you! So I'm here at one of my favorite places. This is Gantsilyo Guru. As you guys know, I also craft among the many things that I do. So I'm so happy na meron tayong place where we can shop for our yarn. And I'm very happy na open na sila because they closed during the pandemic. So all of our orders were online. Pero ngayon, I like going here and like touching all the stuff and seeing it myself. So, I'm gonna show you guys. This is like Disneyland for me. So, itong yarns na to. So, they also have a nice selection of local and imported na yarn. So, this is my favorite. This is my Dapper Dreamer. That's what I use in most of my projects. Ang daming shades and I'm very traditional with my hooks. I still use this. Yung mga ginagamit ko pa ng HE when I was in grade 5. Ito pa rin, gamit siya. And they also have ergonomic hooks. These are nice for very long projects. Saan ba yung ergonomic? Dun. Dun. Yan. And if you have any questions, you can also ask them if you have a project, what yarn to use. And like that. So here, and I'm just gonna go shop. So this one, guys, is the Dapper Dreamer Summer. It's 100% cotton and it's so much thinner than what I use. Kasi ito, okay siya for mga bags, amigurumi, but it's a bit thick for clothes. So ito yung sample niya. Cute, diba? This is like a baby top. So 1 or 2 usually. Oh, depends on the design. I'm just gonna go with 2 para sure. Ano mas maganda sa kulay ko? si Plampol. Meron bang sama na Plampol? And Egyptian blue. Everyone loves it. Yun yung mga favorite ng mga tao. Egyptian blue, Plampol. Giant knitting needle. Pwedeng weapon. Pwede siyang pang ano? Ito. Pwede siya pang saksak. Charot. Ito. This one is like pag masakit na yung kamay mo, pak. Yan ka na. So guys, that's it for my episode today. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you all next week.